It's time to take your kitchen into the 21st century. Featuring 11 original presets, the Cosori Smart Air Fryer cooks meals faster than an oven and with up to 85% less fat than traditionally fried foods. Want to unlock your fryer's full potential? Download the VSync app to connect your smart fryer to your smartphone. With VSync, you can browse 100 online recipes personally created by our Cosori chefs, with new recipes added monthly to keep you inspired. Something catch your eye? Automatically input settings by selecting the recipe you want, or remotely make adjustments. Monitor the progress of your cooking through the app, or take a closer look. Save your favorite discoveries for future use, and make tweaks to old family recipes. You can even save pictures of the final result. Forgot what it was you made last? Check your cooking history to refresh your memory. Before you're done with one meal, you'll be planning your next. So go ahead, start planning today.
The Ninja Air Fryer, a fast and easy way to cook your favorite foods. It ensures even circulation of hot air around your food for quick, crispy, and golden finishes every time. The secret is the combination of a wide temperature range while powering the fan that automatically adjusts speeds for your temperature setting. This allows you to cook and crisp your favorite foods, like 2 pounds of French fries using little to no oil in a family-sized 4-quart ceramic-coated basket. The wide temperature range gives you the ability to roast, bake, air fry, reheat, or dehydrate foods, making it your new go-to appliance for any meal or snack. With the Ninja Air Fryer on your countertop, you can pull crispy meals out of thin air.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.